Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code with Nikki. Today I will show you how to make a background color changer using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It's a simple project and you can do it too. So let's start. When we click on the button, it shows different color in the background. So let's go in our VS Code. Here we created 3 files: index.html, style.css and script.js. In index.html, we will write HTML code. So let's create boilerplate code first. Hit enter, hit tab and now go into title and we will give a title background color changer. Now we will link our style.css. Style.css. Now we'll link our script.js too. For our JavaScript code, here we will write script.js. Our style.css and script.js both are linked. Now let's write HTML code. So what we have to write here, we will create h2. So let's create h2. Click the button to change background color. Now we have to create a button. Now we write text change color. Okay, so this is our index.html. Now Ctrl S and open it with live server. See, open with live server. Click on it. Here is our HTML. What we write here. Next, we use CSS to style the page. We center everything and make the button look nice. Here style.css. Now what we have to do, first we have to style our body. So write body and we have to give it text align center, padding 50 pixels, font family for fonts give Georgia. Now we will give it transition, background color 0.5 seconds, ease. Ctrl S and now refresh it. Okay. Now we will style h2. Give it font size 24 pixel and color hashtag 333. Now we style our button. Give it padding 12 pixel and 24 pixel. Now give it font size. Font size will be 18 pixel. Now give it font weight. We will give it bold. Color white. Background color, we will give background color in linear gradient. So and linear gradient here 45 degree, hashtag FF7E5F and hashtag FEB47B. Control S and refresh page. Okay, here we will write degree. Control S and now refresh page again. Now what we have to do, we have to give it border none. Border radius 8 pixel. Cursor, pointer and transition. Here transform 0.2 second and we will give it box shadow. .2 second. Okay, Control S, now refresh page again. Here only one S, Control S, now refresh it again. Now we give button hover effect. Hover. We'll give transform, scale 1.1 and box shadow 0, 4 pixel, 10 pixel, RGBA here 0, 0 again, 0 and alpha value will be 0.2. Okay, Control S, now refresh page. Our transition is applied. Now we will move on script.js. What we have to do, when we click on button, the background color should be changed. Okay, so we will write here JavaScript. We will create a function called change color. Function change color. Function is a block of code that runs when we call it. Okay, this function will generate a random color and apply it to the background. So first we will create variable let r. We will write math.floor. Now what we have to do, math.random and we will multiply it to 256. We copy it and paste 2 times. Here we change variable name G and B. These are G and B. Now what we have to do? Now first let me explain you these variables. So here R stands for red, G stands for green and B stands for blue. Each variable stores a random number between 0 to 25. Okay. Math.random generate a random number between 0 and 1. For example, 0.5, 0.54, 0.5432. Now, math.random multiply 256 makes it a number between 0 and 255.99. Now math flow removes the decimal part, giving a whole number between 0 and 255. For example, R is equal to 120 or G is equal to 200, B is equal to 50, random every time. Now we will write let random color is equal to backticks, and here we write RGB, then brackets, then dollar sign, and here we will write R, dollar sign again, G, and dollar sign, and here we write B. Okay, this line create a color code in RGB format. The backticks are used for template string. It combines the random values into a string like these: RGB 120, 200, 50. 120 stands for red, 200 stands for green, and 50 stands for blue. Now what we have to do? We have to write here document dot body dot style dot background color, and we give it random is equal to random color. Document dot body refers to the entire web page background. Style dot background color is used to change the background color, and random color contains the generated RGB color. Okay, here generated RGB color. The page background color changes to a random color when we click on button. So Ctrl S, now refresh the page and click on it. So we have to give our button on click. So here go on button, give it on click, event handler, and in these we have to write this function name, copy and paste it. Ctrl S, now refresh the page again. Now the random RGB color is applying. It changing automatically when we click on the button. So this is our HTML code, this is our style.css, and this is script.js. Now what happened here? When user click the button, color change function runs and generate random RGB values, creates an RGB color string, apply it to the background, and background color changes. That's it. We made a simple background color changer using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope you understood the concept, and if you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye.